Hello and welcome to Secret Aura Guide. In today's time, one cannot find even a single person who has no problems in his or her life. Well, we are here to solve them all. Be it a problem related to relationship, career, work, money, study, or stress. Everything can be solved through the healing powers of Jyotish Vastu, Feng Shui, and numerology. So please subscribe our channel if you have not till now and keep watching our videos to increase your secret aura through Jyotish, Vastu, Feng Shui and numerology and achieve success in life. Thank you. In today's time, all one can see in a city is tall buildings and skyscrapers surrounding us from all sides. The lack of land has made multi-story building a necessity. In a multi-story building, stairs are a necessity. However, positive energy of a building can be ensured only when Vastu of stairs is correct. Yes, you heard it right. Vastu of stairs also exists and a staircase should be according to Vastu to ensure positivity and fortune. One should never have stairs in the north, east or northeast direction of the building. This is so because there should be no load in these directions as such a load leads to stress and headache. On the other hand, a west, south or southwest situated staircase is considered very good and leads to good luck and prosperity. However, an essential point related to staircase is that there should never be a staircase in the center of a building, as such a stairway stops and obstructs progress in a person's life. Such a staircase has also been linked to stomachache and backache. So, to avoid these problems, one should take care of the fact that we do not have a staircase in the center of the building. The direction of a staircase also matters. An upward going staircase should also be according to Vastu. A staircase going from east to west or north to south is considered good, while vice versa is not true. A staircase should never be adjacent to a door as this will lead to bad luck. Thus, it is necessary to have distance between your door and stairway. A staircase with railings is considered good and leads to an attitude of positive thinking. A broken staircase is considered very bad and would lead to a situation of more expenditure than income, disrupting a person's life. Nowadays, duplex houses are commonly found, especially in cases of joint families and big families. A duplex house is very common. A duplex house has stairs within the house and all the earlier mentioned points should be taken care of in case of such a staircase as well. Apart from this, special attention needs to be given to certain points. Staircase should be away from the doors. Also, place below the staircase should be left vacant and should never be used for any purpose. A staircase should always go in clockwise direction and not in any anti-clockwise direction. Further, if such a house has two stairways, they should never face each other. However, you might be worried if you are having any of the faults related to stairs at your place. You don't need to worry because Vastu provides solutions to your problems. You can put a bouquet of fresh flowers on the first step of the staircase as a remedy to the fault in staircase. Similarly, putting a glass bowl full of salt on middle of staircase can also be used as a remedy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching.